Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Google account that lists the phone number you want removed. Once done, navigate to Personal Info and then Phone. This is where Google stores recovery and contact numbers. Make sure you have any two-step verification methods available because Google may ask you to confirm identity. You're doing this now to prevent accidental lockouts, so pause and verify you can receive codes or have backup options before you remove the number. Next, tap or click the phone entry to list all linked numbers and their roles, recovery, security, or contact. You will select the specific number and choose Remove. Google shows a confirmation prompt, so read it carefully. If the number is the only recovery option, make sure you add an alternate phone or recovery email first, because removing the sole recovery can make account access difficult. Once you confirm deletion, Google removes it from your profile and login flows. Finally, verify the change by revisiting Personal Info. Sometimes propagation takes moments, so refresh the page. If the number still displays, clear your browser cache, try incognito mode, or sign out and sign back in to force an update. Make sure you keep backup codes or a recovery email handy. If you're unexpectedly locked out after removal, use those options to regain access. If problems persist, follow Google's account recovery prompts carefully, because that restores.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.